Let's see, which one? Oh, that's wrong. Maybe if I turn around. Oh, nope, that didn't help. Here we go. Ha. Ha 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 ha. I'm gonna do some dancing. It's gonna get fancy in here. Come on. Yeah. Dance with me, everybody. What up, world? It's Vince Johnson here. I'm at UMA, Urban Movement Arts, and I'm going to teach you about the bounce. We got to bounce to the beat in hip hop. It's so important. And that's really the first thing that you got to know. It's where you start, okay? And the bounce starts with simple mobility principles. Where are the creases in your body? Oh, I got some creases in my ankles. You got to be able to move through those ankles. You have creases in your knees. You got creases at your hips, right? And then also we can isolate here at our sternum. We can fold over, we can fold up. We have our neck. Our neck folds too. Hear those sound effects? I need to oil up. So let's keep moving. The bounce. It starts here in the knees. So let's count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Super simple, just bending our knees. Now, if we had a beat, we would hear that thing going like this. Boom, 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 boom. You got to dance to the beat. You got to be able to bend your knees to the beat. So check me out. Boom, 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 boom. I'm tired of all you suckers out there saying that you don't have rhythm. Very simple. Boom, 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 boom. Ready? So that's just my knees and my ankles, using the creases at my ankles and my knees. Now, let's start to add the waist, all right? I like to call this a forward fold. I can touch my toes. Some of you might be able to touch the floor. Some of you can't even get that low. You can touch your knees. But guess what? That's not that big of an issue because all you got to do is lean forward a little bit. Bring it back. Lean forward a little bit. Bring it back. This is a staple movement. If you go to any club, you're not going to see people doing crazy stuff. You're going to see them in the pocket just, that's my song. Girl, that DJ is playing my song. I'm feeling this right now. And so they just folding at the hips. So what we do there is, it's like we're a duck. Ducking for some fish. Ready? Duck. Get those fish. Pull them out of the water. Stand it back up. Ready? We're here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's keep it moving. Let's put that together with the knees. What does that look like? That looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going into our folded position, and then we're opening back up. This is the core. So if you want to be dancing at the party, you want to be dancing at the club, you want to be chilling in your room, feeling the music a little bit more, just fold, fold, fold. All right? So we have our knees, we have our ankles, we have our waist. If you're dancing in the car, yep. Whether it's Biggie, whether it's Post Malone, whether it's Kendrick, Foxy Brown, Mary J. Who's one of the ladies they be listening to now? Nicki Minaj. You're just chilling. And all this is chin down to your chest, chin up. Chin down to your chest, chin up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's put it all together. We got our knees, we got our waist, we got our neck. That's what we're focusing on now. Ready? We're going to do a full 8 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Everything's folding. Now, we're not going to dance like this with our arms by our sides at attention. We're going to let the arms swing. Okay? And there's a few different swings that we can do. All right? We can swing here, pulling the arms up. Right? So when I go down, the arms come up. Right? Looks a little goofy, but we're going to get past that. Boom. Right? So we're going to try bending at the knees, folding at the waist, letting the chin go up and down, and letting the arms come up. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent. One last variation with the arms. We're going to let the arms go like we're running. This is a great one for the club. You ain't going too hard, you're keeping it easy, but people feel you. They think you know what you're doing, and you do, right? So let's go. Bend at the knees, fold at the waist, let the arms swing, be steady. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When that song is on, we feel it. We feel where that beat is. Boom, ta, boom, ta, boom. We hear bass and snare. Boom. And if we look at that, it's going for us 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. For all you music lovers, we might be subdividing at the quarter note. So once we have that, we check ourselves. Can I do that at the ankles and the knees? Check me. Boom, ta, boom, ta, boom, ta, boom, ta. We're chilling here. Then I'm going to add the waist. Waist and knees. Right? I'm like a duck in water, fishing. Hey! Knees and waist, knees and waist. Now, what's this? At the neck, add it all. Notice I'm in my groove here, and I already just want my arms to just move with me. So, bring the arms up. Let's slow it down for those of you who need that. Ready? Boom, boom, fold, 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 speed it up. Here we go. Boom, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Knees and waist only. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Add the neck. Here we go. Boom, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Swing the arms. Hey, get a little free with it. Yep, that's our bounce to the beat.